Welcome to Gearhead Galaxy. Today, we explore the grand return of a legend with the all-new 2025 Toyota Cressida. The 2025 Toyota Cressida marks the long-awaited return of a legendary nameplate, reimagined for a new era of driving. Once known for its luxury, refinement, and smooth inline-six engines, the Cressida has now been reintroduced as a modern executive sedan that blends classic elegance with cutting-edge technology. Toyota has taken a bold step in reviving this historic model, positioning it as a premium offering that sits between the Camry and the Lexus S, aimed at buyers who value comfort, performance, and understated style. The exterior of the 2025 Cressida is a masterclass in refined design. It carries a sleek, elongated silhouette that exudes class without screaming for attention. The front grille is wide and low, flanked by narrow LED matrix headlights that provide exceptional visibility and a sophisticated look. Subtle chrome accents, flush door handles, and a smooth, sculpted body contribute to a premium appearance that sets it apart from more aggressively styled competitors. At the rear, full-width taillights and a clean bumper design emphasize the Cressida's wide stance and stable profile. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing 225 horsepower, shared with the Camry hybrid but tuned for a smoother, more refined driving experience. The highlight, however, is the available 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, producing 295 horsepower and 356 Nm of torque. This engine delivers brisk acceleration and effortless cruising capabilities, making highway drives a joy. The V6 model also features adaptive suspension that adjusts based on road conditions, providing a balance between comfort and responsiveness. Inside, the Cressida is all about elegance and comfort. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials including soft leather, real wood inlays, and brushed aluminum accents. The dashboard design is clean and symmetrical, featuring a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a fully digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium JBL audio system that fills the cabin with immersive sound. Physical buttons are thoughtfully placed for key functions, ensuring a driver-focused layout that doesn't rely entirely on touch controls. The rear seats are especially spacious, with ample legroom and reclining functionality in higher trims. Ventilated and heated seats are available front and rear, along with 4-zone climate control, power sunshades, and ambient interior lighting. All of this reinforces the Cressida's goal of being a modern luxury cruiser for passengers as well as the driver. On the safety front, the 2025 Cressida comes packed with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. A surround view camera system and advanced parking assist make tight maneuvers simple, while the enhanced structural rigidity of the chassis improves crash safety and driving stability. Driving the Cressida feels like a throwback to an era when sedans prioritized comfort and composure over sporty pretensions. The ride quality is supple, soaking up bumps and undulations with ease, especially in the V6 variant with adaptive dampers. Steering is light but precise, and road noise is impressively muted thanks to sound-insulating materials and active noise cancellation. The hybrid model offers excellent fuel economy with a claimed average of over 22 kmpl, making it an ideal choice for those who want a more efficient luxury experience. The V6 variant, while less frugal, offers performance enthusiasts a genuine sense of power and smoothness. Toyota has carefully placed the Cressida in a niche that appeals to mature, discerning buyers who want understated luxury and reliability without the premium badge markup. It competes with models like the Hyundai Grandeur, Honda Accord Hybrid, and even entry-level German sedans, yet it maintains a unique identity through its heritage, comfort-first approach, and balanced design. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Cressida is a triumphant return that honors its legacy while evolving with modern demands. It delivers refined performance, a serene cabin, and a long list of technology and safety features wrapped in a handsome package. It is not just a car for nostalgia but a genuinely relevant and competitive choice in today's premium sedan market.